BJP Manipur accuses government of violating memorandum of understanding with centre by holding recruitments in 53 departments. Former MLA Irabot alleges that Congress government did not speak against the centre during UNC blockade in 2010. Christians in Manipur prepare for Christmas celebrations. Governor and Chief Minister greet the people on Christmas. And the condition of an electricity employee who is on fast deteriorates. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. I am Butchi Malambam with the top stories. Regarding the recruitment of 9,000 posts in about 53 departments around the election time by the government, BJP Manipur Pradesh has asked if the MOU signed between the state and the central government in 2002 to stop recruitment for new posts has been suspended. Speaking to media persons at the party's head office, spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, alleged that the recruitments were held only to collect funds for the upcoming election, as the government said these employees will get their salaries from April 2017 onwards. He alleged that although the Chief Minister said the developmental works are not related to elections, it is quite evident that he is campaigning for the election when he announces for developmental works at political meetings. Public is being fooled by blaming the central government of not intervening to end the economic blockade. However, one should be aware that under the Indian Constitution of Article 355 and 366, the centre will intervene after a detailed report is submitted to the governor. R.K. Ranjan said the central government has not intervened since the state government has not submitted any report so far.
Power substation 132 natraga 33 kV se thanlon da mati pai muktam thamni. These are all development plan. Development plan, government ki development plan se chief minister ki magi secretariat ta haigera natraga government ki secretariat ta laugera. Chinda di development ka politics ka samnaro harga karigino political conference ta masi mention tawdi maram se karigino. Mana ngangi beduma understand tawbra natraga ma ngangi do in true spirit ma practice to bura ise masi ekoi question to ningi praja miyam na su masi understand to view sin the vote ki nate haraga vote phangna na to ngal tane.
Former Wangkai MLA Yumkham Irabot greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Christians, on Christmas festival and blamed the Congress government at the centre for remaining silent on the UNC economic blockade in May 2010. Speaking to media persons at his residence, Irabot said the Ibobi government did not speak a word against the Congress government at the centre at the time, and also asked not to mislead the people to get sympathy votes. He said the 2010 blockade was longer and the state government did not take any step to bring in the stranded trucks, saying that Imphal-Jiri road is not in a condition to be travelled. He said he went to Jiribam while he was the CAF and PD minister to bring in the trucks. He expressed that the state government should take steps to end the suffering faced by the people.
Government here, Congress, central to Congress. What he should answer. She never would do. Other way the Wangano, out of a Congress, then he come with the porter. BJP come the CPI come the Arano people blame Dorbato. Framework agreement, Senapatica, Okulva Yauri, Uriga, and Harga, young Langan Ratoba. UNC member of party, BJP government center, Tadu or Hire again. We shall not do. So I had the Union government don't have to whatever.
Communist Party of India, Manipur State Council has categorically described the statement of Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiren Rijiju as unreliable. Speaking to media, Deputy Secretary L. Sotin Kumar said the problem of 54-day-old economic blockade could have been solved if the centre had the intention to end it. He asked why Rijiju visited the state instead of Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh. He asked the government to work according to the wishes of the people and to maintain the unity among the different communities of the state.
केंद्र की होम मिनिस्टर ओइरिबा श्री राजनाथ मसामक केंद्र की होम मिनिस्टर ओइरिबा श्री राजनाथ मसामक लाब कांदा मणिपुर की ओइरिबा खुदोंथिब कयासिंग असे खुदक कोहनब होनगे हाइबगी उन तैनबदा अदुगुंबा स्टेट की होम मिनिस्टर अमा थारागा अदुगुंबा याम थयाइनब वफम कया अमा थमकांदा अदुगुंबा संगजलैबा लौगिबा फिरेप अदुग थनमी वफम कयासिंगसे मसे खोई चपचाना अखोई इकोनॉमिक ब्लॉकेट असे मसे खुदकता हंदोहनब ngomgani haibasigi yam thajaba wali adu daita leiba adu Rajnath masamangna अखोई स्टेट असे लाकंदा होम मिनिस्टर मसामक लागा अखोई मियामना वानरिबा कयासिंग से कोहनब खुदक तोनबम थोयेना अखोई लौजै.
Unidentified miscreants set fire to the Employment Exchange office in Tamenglong last night around 10:25. Sources said the fire destroyed properties including official documents kept inside the office building. However, the fire service prevented the fire from spreading further. In a similar incident, unknown miscreants attempted to set fire to the office building of District Industries Centre Tamenglong and Tausem Subdivision Camp Office last night. Fortunately, people living in the neighborhood saw the fire and controlled it on time. Christians in Manipur are busy preparing for the celebration of Christmas. Churches in various parts of the valley are being decorated ahead of the festival. People have placed well-decorated Christmas trees inside the churches. They also placed Santa Clauses and hung Merry Christmas banners outside the churches. Bright and colorful stars are also displayed in every household and at the village gates. Morning service will be held at churches tomorrow, but the celebrations will not be grand as in the past due to the current situation in the state.
हराव नुंगाइबा नुमित असि लाकपसिदा वखलदा यामना नुंगाइजै अदुगा वखलदा सोइदना मयामगी दमक्तसु इंगथातो थबा पुरकनी हासि थाजै मयामबु थमजनिंगबा वहाइसिदि क्रिसमस असिना चिंगतम अमत्ता ओइबा नुसिबा दो पुबिरक्सनु हाइबसे मसिग पाउजेलसे थमजनिंगी.
Governor Dr. Natma Heptullah has greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Christians, on the occasion of Christmas. In her message, the governor urged the people to rededicate themselves to follow the spiritual and ethical path propounded by Lord Jesus and follow his values of living in harmony and brotherhood. Chief Minister Okrumi Bobi has greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Christians, on the eve of the Christmas. In his message, Ibobi said it is time to listen and take the message of Christmas with utmost seriousness and spread the message of peace in the state. He also appealed to all to abandon paths of violence so that every family may enjoy Christmas in the spirit of happiness and joy. Major General Virendra Singh, Inspector General Assam Rifles South and all ranks of Assam Rifles have greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Christmas. In a press release, IGR South expressed the hope that the festival will herald an era of progress and prosperity in the region and promote unity, integrity and peaceful coexistence of all communities in the state. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, CADA, has also greeted the people on the occasion of Christmas. In a press release, CADA wished for peace and harmony in the state. All Manipur United Clubs Organization AMUCO presented candles to churches on the eve of Christmas today. A team of AMUCO members led by President PH Deban went to Manipur Baptist Convention MBC Chumerong and gifted the candles. He handed over the candles to Reverend Onesima. They also visited Mau Baptist Church in Dulalan and gifted candles as well. The team also visited many other churches carrying the message of love and peace and gifted candles. They received warm welcomes from members of all the churches.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯨꯞꯁꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯑꯃꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯈꯔꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯀꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯅꯅꯕ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯧꯅꯤꯖꯕꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗꯨꯗ ꯆꯔꯆꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯍꯟꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯕ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯗ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯜꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ
ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯖꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅꯤ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯇꯝ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯏꯪꯊ ꯇꯞꯊꯕ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯁꯤ.
The condition of a protester among the three who are on a hunger strike demanding regularization of work charged and muster roll employees has deteriorated. Manipur Electricity Employees Union has been demanding regularization of work charged and muster roll employees of Manipur State Power Corporation Limited (MSPCL) and Manipur State Power Development Corporation Limited. A team of doctors today visited S. Rashi, K. Bizento and S. G. Shanti, who are on fast since yesterday at the gate of MSPDCL in Kaisampat. Doctors said the condition of S. Rashi is deteriorating. It may be mentioned that Manipur Electricity Employee Union have been on protest demanding regularization of 305 work charge and 38 muster roll. As part of the protest, they have resorted to hunger strike since yesterday.
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯆꯥꯔꯖ ꯃꯥꯁꯇꯔꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯇꯥꯍꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯜꯂꯝꯕꯗ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯦꯟꯗꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯙꯔꯅꯥ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ 2016 ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯗꯤ ꯏꯌꯔꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯏꯇꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯀꯠꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯕꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯥꯃꯜꯂꯛꯇꯗꯅ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯇꯥꯡ 12 ꯊꯥ 12/2013 ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ indefinite hunger strike ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪꯁꯤ until and unless ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯒꯅꯤ.
A delegation of All Manipur Working Journalists Union led by President Wangkheomcha Samjai today met the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh at his residence in New Delhi on the prevailing situation in the state in the wake of the indefinite economic blockade imposed by UNC. They apprised the Home Minister of the hardships faced by the people and urged him to intervene to end the economic blockade. They also met UNC leaders and urged them to end the blockade. Clarifying the incident at Kurai Hekrumakong, which occurred on the 18th of this month, Union of Social Upliftment Kurai has demanded Naga Students Federation to suspend the blockade of vehicles from Manipur. Speaking to media persons at Lamlong Bazaar today, spokesperson of the union Athokpam Oken said it is unfortunate that people of Kurai are being branded as communal due to Kurai Hekrumakong incident. He said after the band called by women vendors of Khairamban Bazaar against economic blockade, people from the hills living in the valley even wanted to flee. Oken said people of Kurai requested them to not leave the valley. There were even talks with the leaders of Nagaram to live in peace and harmony. Meanwhile, security personnel tried to forcefully take away them. He said if they had left the valley, it could create bigger problems and requested them to stay back. In return, security personnel fired tear gas shells and mock bombs, which resulted in burning of vehicles by the irate mob. However, no one from the hills was injured. He said it is unfortunate that a Naga organization blamed UCM for this incident. Oken appealed to the Nagaland government, NSF and Manipur government not to spread rumors to create tension. People of Kurai will work towards integration of Manipur. Oken also appealed to all to help the people in the hills who are on their way to celebrate Christmas.
Any communities ki look khudimangna amasung Manipur government, Nagaland government ki responsible persons singna aikhoi thokriba thodok sing adugi chap chaba langlang lanjing khangdringai da adugumba yamna communal oeba ichi naw singi marakta nungsinadaba silakwa thodok sing adu amona phongdok pirakano. Naga Student Federation na ngasi Manipur gi gari sing aikhoi gi Manipur da sangpada thimbasi Naga Student Federation di tasengna ragadi Nagaland gi student body ama khani maramaduna masi thingliba kholiba toribasing ase Manipur government ki authority dagi Nagaland government ki authority da pau phaduna athuba matamda machi handwan gadan.
Meanwhile, the Naga Students Federation has temporarily lifted the ban imposed on vehicles from Manipur. A Newmai report said the move came as a goodwill gesture and request from Naga Hoho. Iroi Semba Ima Panthoibi Thaugalup and Iroi Semba Maira Paibi Apunbalup jointly held a sit-in against the UNC's economic blockade and the twin ambushes by suspected NSC and IM on police personnel at Tengnopal, which left 3 dead and 11 injured. Now it's time for a short break. We'll be back soon. Keep watching Impact News.
World-class interventional cardiology at Sky Hospital, performing non-operative closure of hole in heart and RF ablation. Don't delay. Hurry for consultation with Chief Cardiologist Dr. L. Shamkishore for hole closure, RF ablation, coronary angioplasty requirement and other procedures like pacemaker, ICD, CRT, combo angiogram are also available. Hurry for advance booking to avoid disappointment. Free charge for BPL families.
Northeast India Development Party Manipur Punna Kundaminari Yelhomi Singi Hamja Naraba Thawai Miral Singh Aramba Korang Pumubu Hanabagi Joba Todang Lozanabagi Matiran the Manipur Yelhomi Singh Thawai Miral Singh Tana Semjaba Party ni Maramasida Sagi Mamayam Vodo do any IDP Gimihut Singh the Pinabina Iram the Masikitungi Fere Sana Lepjanabi them touch up Java Tanjadu Lobu any IDP Namayam Lavamiang Matabomi Kukara Tangai for the Lojaba Dungi Matambu Ikai Kumna Vuchari Masina Kogi Puari Nakupuna Kutsana Donaning Singh but Hokra Matamagi Laklaba Ekogi Puari William Tatapuari Masemlasi Kangan Zariba President Northeast India Development Party Sagol Bantera Laukrakom Lekai Imphal West.
Ningsing Kumon Haukiba English Ani Taret ki December Kunga Mangada Ratnagi Sea Beach the Laikhidraba Laisram Jasovantagi Mapan Suba Chahi ki Kumon Numit Yaurakle Imana Nushina Kauzaba Toibi Imagi Fiziki Mani Nahak Pukadai the Laibage Matang Mapok the Imaga Amu Unakisiko Toibi Nahaki Atmabu Taibang Semba Mapuna Ingna Chikna Nushina Tambiba Oishanu Ngasi suning singli nahaki ima Laisram Ongbi P Ranjana Devi amadi imung manu Uripok Sorbon Tingel.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back. Violence erupted during the 12-hour Bandh called against the death of Muhammad Ibocha, who was lynched by a mob for trying to steal a cow. JC against the death of Muhammad Ibocha called a Bandh along Yairipok and Andro Imphal Road from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tension broke out between the Bandh supporters and commuters after rumors spread that Bandh supporters were blocking people from going for medical issues. A team of police personnel led by additional SP Imphal East and OC Andro Police Station rushed at the spot to control the situation, but the mob pelted stones at the police. Later, police fired tear gas shells to disperse the protesters. The JC warned for intense agitation if the culprits are not booked within 12 hours. CPI-ML Liberation Manipur State Unit alleged that Manipur government has failed to create employment opportunities for the educated unemployed. The party said there will be no development in the state as long as the government is busy constructing community halls and crematoriums rather than providing employment opportunities to the educated unemployed youth. Addressing media at the party's office at Tera, State President Sapam Samungo reminded that there are approximately 7 lakh educated unemployed youth in Manipur. There are about 11,000 unemployed youth in each of 60 constituencies in Manipur. He said if the MLAs focus on creating jobs in the field of agriculture, horticulture, fishery and agro-based industries, the issue of unemployment will be solved. He maintained that construction of drainages, community halls and crematoriums will not bring any kind of development in the state. He alleged that industries established to provide jobs had been closed down since they could not be run properly. Samungo said if the 60 MLAs do not act on time, the unemployment rate will rise, causing more problems.
Shubham Lairaktrava
सेननब चाननब फंगत्रब मतमदुदैदा लंबी फरसनु ड्रेन फन चलसनु अरिगी कम्युनिटी हॉल लिसिंग लिसिंग जु सालसनु मी मोंफम फजा फजाबा मयाम अमसु सालसनु मदुना मणिपुर शांति लेगद्रा अरि मदुना मणिपुर साखटप कौबा यागद्रा हाइबो वफमसिनी मणिपुर सु चाही 10 नत्रग 3 गी मतुंगदा थबक फंगदबना कोई लाख 3 ओइखलाबा अदुगी मतुंगदा मणिपुर करी थोदगे अदुना मणिपुर करी तौरदगे हाइबसे मसी कोई ngasi सरकार ngasi MLA ने कोई खनबा ताय
Nationalist Congress Party NCP has announced that the party has not merged with any party. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, President of the party S. Iboyama denied the news which appeared in local dailies that the party has merged with the Congress. He clarified that MLA Laishom Ibomcha joined the Congress after he resigned from the NCP.
State na adum kaiguma ex gratia piralsu adum state tugi chief minister na natraga moigi finance minister na lauthokdana ex gratia pinari sigi phibam sidi da leiriba sidi da aikoi somna su ex gratia ji siba ngairaga awaba tarvising do pina na bagi ready tokdana leibiribra madu khakta da leiraga mileage lawna gena khanbiribra natraga sidringai kanda kalhona bagi pochi hona bidribisi kari nungai na da leibno central government di India government se party khena jarabsu federal structure sidadi people ki interest da coordination pinabam thukdabra sigi system of government sidi totally masidi collapse oi.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi yesterday inaugurated a multi-purpose community hall and water supply at Lumding in Khangabok, Thobal district. Speaking at the event, the Chief Minister said Manipur was awarded by the Centre for maintaining the best infant mortality rate in the country. The community hall was constructed with funding from Manipur Development Society and MLA Local Area Development Fund. He appealed to the people to consider public properties as their own. A book highlighting the works done by Education and Transport Minister Dr. K. Ratan Kumar, who represents Mayang Imphal from 2007, was released today. The book was released at his official residence at Babura. The event was organized by Mayang Imphal Block Congress Committee, Mayang Imphal Mahila Congress Committee and Youth Congress Committee. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association, which functioned under 2 presidents, will not work as one under the leadership of Y. Mangi. Y. Mangi was elected president of the association at a function held at Manipur Press Club today. MLAs K. Meghachandra, Mohammad Fazlur Rahim, commander of Manipur Home Guard Battalion Headquarters, Mohammad Janab Ali are advisors of the association. Waimangi said the remuneration provided to the Home Guards who work 24 hours a day is not in tune with time. He demanded the government to implement the Supreme Court's order of 2016 directing the government to increase the allowances of the Home Guard personnel on par with the IRB and other police personnel. He warned of agitations if the demands are not met.
Honorable Supreme Court ki raya do thabak oina wongkhanaba tawro haidana 2016 gi May gi tang 15 da Chief Secretary da irakhiba chithi Bharat Sarkar na Ministry of Home Affairs na 2013 ki June gi tarik 3 da State ki Chief Secretary da Supreme Court ki order do thabak oina ontho order pass tawro na irakhiba chithi ani do madu ngasi Home Department da pandana leiriba se palhan biraganu awaba mayam se hauji phangiba lupa lising manga sina mi hingba ngambagi hauji ki juksida leite.
Women Committee United NGOs Mission Manipur held a discussion on today and tomorrow Manipur yesterday at Siroi Hall, Hotel Imphal. The women participants demanded immediate withdrawal of the economic and counter-economic blockade and negotiate security forces and repeal of AFSPA 1958. They also urged the National Human Rights Commission and the State Women Commission to take legal actions against the protesters. As per the resolution taken by St. Joseph's School Students' Van Service Union on its 12th General Body Meeting that was held on the 11th of this month, financial assistance was provided to those persons who had served the union for more than 7 years and are above the age of 55 from today. The next General Body Meeting will decide the increase. Manipur State Sumang Lila Council has condoled the death of singer, musician, music director Jiangam Kamai, who occupied a prominent place in the field of music in Manipur. The condolence was held at the house of Jiangam Kamai at Langtabal Chingthak. Members of Sumang Lila organizations and people of the area offered floral tributes to the deceased. Members of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council performed songs composed by Jiangam Kamai as a tribute. Jiangam Kamai was awarded Guru Shiksha Parampara Award 2012 and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Award 2012. Now in sports, CSC Chanung and Saipo KB bid their rivals in league matches of Nahakpam Apabi Memorial 3rd Division League Tournament organized by Imphal East District Football Association. In the 24th league match played today at Khumman Lampak Artificial Turf Ground, CSC Chanung thrashed Nitsu KB Haikak Mapal 3-0. Lalboy Thanglen Mang and Gaulan Kipjen scored 1 goal each for CSC Chanung. In the 25th league match, Saipo KB trounced IYDO Yaripok Ningthau Manai 5-0. Sarfaraz and Didar of Saipo KB scored 2 goals each and Siraj scored 1 goal. On the other hand, in the 40th match of Ngangkham Boboy Memorial 2nd Division League Tournament played at Khumman Lampak Artificial Turf Ground today, SWC beat PYPC 2-1. The final matches of the league will be played on 26th of this month at Thambalnu Sports Complex, Poiro, Kongjil, Kaina. The second state-level Ima Thongak Macha Lairembi Open Tennis Bowl Cricket Tournament organized by Kanglei Chaukhatna KCL Takyel Kolom Laikai kicked off today at the KCL ground. David 11 Sagolban played against HBL Thangwaiban in the opening match today. Remaining matches of the tournament will be played on the 26th of this month. That's all we have for the time being, but before we wind this session of the bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. BJP Manipur accuses government of violating Memorandum of Understanding with Centre by holding recruitments in 53 departments. Former MLA Irabot alleges that Congress government did not speak against the Centre during UNC blockade in 2010. Christians in Manipur prepare for Christmas celebrations. Governor and Chief Minister greet the people on Christmas. And the condition of an electricity employee who is on a fast deteriorates.